Welcome back to Lolli TV. I'm your host Aubrey Strobel, and let's start with the top headlines of the week. Bitcoin price update. We hit a new all-time high last Saturday. Everyone went nuts. We reached $61,600, highest point ever in history for Bitcoin. And then we took a drop back down to the mid-50, high 50 range. But with such a minor dip in major institutions coming on board, I don't think you'll see it hanging around the $50,000 mark for much longer. Morgan Stanley has become the first big bank to offer its clients direct access to Bitcoin, according to CoinDesk. This is huge. Morgan Stanley has now perhaps put out the biggest threat to other traditional financial institutions to work towards a Bitcoin-based future. You can now send someone Bitcoin on Twitter through BottlePay. The startup is out of beta mode, and now you can send real-time transactions to literally anyone. So I feel like I should set up an account. I feel like that's my next step after I film the show. I'm gonna go set up an account. Per reporting by Cointelegraph, retail is buying more Bitcoin than institutions recently. Crazy, because imagine what happens when institutions really start to buy in. What else happened this week? Well, the Fed doubled down on its commitment to low interest rates. Prolonged low interest rates historically is not good for inflation, so if that's any indication of what you should be doing right now, make sure you're hodling on to some Bitcoin, because things aren't looking great. Now it is time to pick up your phone and follow Lolli on Instagram if you have not already, because it's time for Bitcoin Meme of the Week. This week's winner is Bitcoin Besties for this Sex and the City. Carrie Bradshaw and Mr. Big sitting in a bar having a drink, and Big looks over to Carrie and says, "What is it that you want, Carrie?" She goes, "I want Bitcoin." And I felt that in the inner midst of my soul. So great job, you won this week. And now for the best Bitcoin back deals on Lolli.com. eBay, 2% Bitcoin back. Remember it. You can get Pokemon cards, trading cards, memorabilia, anything under the sun. Check them out. After that, head over to Booking.com. You can get 7% back on hotels. So if you are traveling for Easter or spring break, perhaps, that is a great option. And then NARS Cosmetics is going to 7%. And yeah, if you need to stock up on some makeup, this could be your chance. If you're looking for some Bitcoin merch like this hoodie, check out the link in the description. There's this and a ton of other styles on only21million.com, and you can use the code Aubrey Strobel to get 10% off on your order. And now it is time for our $50 Bitcoin giveaway. Every single week we're giving away free Bitcoin on this channel, so all you need to do is like and subscribe so that you never miss an episode. This week, all I want you to do is drop your Lolli SatsTag in the comments below, and also mention something that you feel lucky or fortunate for that is not Bitcoin in lieu of St. Patrick's Day this week. So thank you so much for tuning in to Lolli TV, and I'll see you back here next week. Strobel out.